325. Now, a split fire has been around for quite a while, and we've built tens of thousands of 3000 series machines, and the 3255 has always been popular amongst rental. There's a couple good reasons for that. So firstly, these machines are easy to use. You don't got to take a lot of time to explain how it works. You start up the GX Honda, you run the handle back and forth. It's a two-way log splitter, so it's splitting there and back, and those customers aren't waiting for that return stroke like a conventional one-way log splitter. And secondly, these machines are extremely safe. In the world of rental, that's one of the most important things. We have V-shaped log stops, keeps the wood always centered, doesn't allow stuff to kick out, less room for pinch point. The controls are always on this side of the machine, so there's no risk of having wood fall into control and accidentally trigger the actuation back and forth. So overall, it's just easy and very importantly, very safe. And thirdly, we just have an overall lack of maintenance and repairs on a machine like this. You know, we got the Honda GX, they're normally quite bulletproof. The hydraulic system is well designed. It's gonna last a very long time with very little maintenance as well. The slider system runs on UHMW slide pads, so no oiling, greasing, it just runs dry, good for 10, 15 years in most cases. And the cool thing about it is that all of the soft spots are located at the back of the machine. So when people are working with firewood, logs, they can drop it, knock it, push it around. They don't got to worry about denting any of this stuff because it's far removed from the splitting zone. So, you know, other than some small things here and there, these machines are known to cost very little. And of course, that increases your return on investment. But enough of the talk. Let me fire this thing up and show you why it's special. You know, from the customer's point of view, these things are easy to use, they're quick, they're enjoyable, they're fun, and you know, from the point of view of a rental operator, they're safe, good return on investment. It's going to last a long time, and you know, when you're done with it after 4 or 5 years, you can flip it over, sell it to one of those customers that's been begging for it for a long time. So, if you got questions about it, give us a call to the office, or you can see the specs and data online.